Yo, what's up, guys? Yo, 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 what up? Thank you, 24 Cheery, for the Carlito. Hello. Mickey Nate, thank you. Mickey Season, thank you. Jelverse, thank you. Herzane, Mickey Season, Ava Grace, Mickey the Real, Mickey XM, Ate Jobs, thank you. Jello Cakes, Princess JL, Ava Grace, thank you so much. Nico Sudi, thank you. Mikiza, thank you. Mickey Lee, thank you. Nairam, thank you so much. Prince Albi, thank you. I love Nate, thank you. Joila, KCO, Nick Sulit, Marie, Riva Jean, Fashionista BGYO, thank you. Arabel Mickey, thank you. Connie Asayas, thank you so much. Riva Jean, Trixie Del Pilar, maraming salamat. Nairam Kumusta, Jelod Myrer, Eli Narcisco, thank you so much. Yo, Yanni Mar, thank you, Yanni Mar. Hi, Sandy. BGYO Clarice, Fashionista, BGYO. Thank you so much. Malapit the time of 10K, guys. We can do it. Let's go. Then let's start. AG, ay, AJ Igno. Thank you so much. Alexis, Anjay Low. Thank you. Anjay Low. Thank you. I am RCMB. Thank you. 6,200 na, guys. We can reach 10K. We can do it. Bunanate, thank you. Cesarina, thank you. Nairam, thank you. Marie, Cesarina, Mickey Nate, thank you so much. Jude, thank you, Jude. Thanks, Jude. Thanks, dude. Moshino! Moshino! CTNR, thank you so much. Moshino, thank you so much for the chocolate hills. Kamusta na, Moshino? Hi, Yang Yang. Thank you so much, Moshino, for the chocolate hills. All right, we are now at 44K. Sandy, thank you so much sa Harana. Thank you so much, Sandy. Okay lang naman, na-miss ka namin. Na-miss din namin, na-miss din namin. Na-miss ko din kayo, guys. Kasi I haven't been in Kumu in like, I don't know, like a month. Was it a month? Is it a month? Or like almost, no, 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 no. Well, almost a month, like 20 days, 22 days. Forgot. BG Marian, thank you. Sepirot. Thank you so much, Sepirot. Sepirot. So, ayun, yun. Thank you so much for joining my live stream tonight. Kia Blast, thank you so much. What's up, Jared? Thank you. We're now at 167K watchers, so dami stickers. Oh my god. Um, hmm. Okay, never mind. What up? 167 viewers tayo yan. Dami natin yan. If you guys haven't followed my Kumu account, ito, follow niyo na tong account na to para maging updated kayo kung nag-live ba ako or hindi. So, yeah. Happy birthday, Eli. BGYO Loyalist. Happy 18th monthsary sa inyo. Thank you so much sa pag-support sa amin. And yeah, hope you guys stay strong. Here for BGYO, what up? Mahina ba audio ko, guys? Okay naman? Yes po, okay lang. Baka yung volume nyo hindi mataas. Okay lang. Sucks lang. Alright, that's good. Konya Sayas, thank you. 54K na tayo, guys. Malapit na rin tayo mag 100K. So, yeah. Kamusta kayo? Kamusta kayo? Wala namang nawala sa'yo sa US, di ba? Wala naman akong nawala. Ay! Meron ba? Alam mo nawala. Nawala sa akin. Pera kasi ang dami ko nagastos. Charot. So, ano binili ko? Well, I bought a lot of, um, bumili akong bag and pasalubong and shoes. Deserve. Na-thrift shopping kayo? Well, I went to Goodwill. Pero, wala akong makita. Parang, ano lang siya. Parang, parang ukay lang din dito, pero maganda lang yung place. Mas maganda, syempre, okay yung mga damit. Unlike sa, yung, para lang siyang thrift shop na maayos dito. Yung magandang thrift shop dito, parang, gano'n lang din. Wala akong masyado nakita. Pero there was this one place sa New York na thrift shop siya na sikat for like pormahan. So, that place was good. Pero, sobrang daming magagandang piece. Pero, hindi ko na siya binili kasi kahit gusto ko, hindi ko binili kasi makakapal siya eh. Well, in the Philippines, you can't wear it. Kasi init dito eh. Tapos, basta, pag nandito ka, it's either you wear polo or t-shirt lang. Because it's so hot. Madami akong nabiling dati. Sobrang dami kong binibiling jackets, pero hindi ko na nagagamit. So, sayang. May mga brands or same lang sa Pinas? Well, depends. Yeah. Mickey, type mo ba weather sa US? Hindi. Alam niyo bakit? Kayo lang yung type ko eh. Aces lang. Ay, lo. Riva Jean, thank you so much. Wala layo na pala ng comments. Maharot. Hindi ako maharot. Ikaw yun eh. Kayo. Huwag naman ganun. So ayaw niyo. Okay lang. Sanay na akong ma-reject. Ganyan naman kayo eh. Charot lang. We're now at 56K. Well, at the time of 100K, we can do it, guys. 100K. 100K. Kumain ka na? I haven't. I only ate lunch. Pero, ay, dinner na pala ngayon, no? Baba na lang din ako mamaya after ng kumo ko. Kain ako. Pero, mag-order sana ako, pero ang dami ko na nagastos. Wala na akong, wala na akong money, money, money. Naubos na ang money, money, money. Sa kaka-shopping sa US. Ang mamahal ng price tag. So yeah. Anyway, we are now at 58.43K. Thank you so much, Connie Asayas, for the Kimberly Ray, thank you. 58K na tayo. Malapit na mag 100. Mickey Nate, thank you so much. Claverdine, thank you. Mickey XM, thank you. So guys, if Sandy, thank you so much for the ow. Connie Asayas, thank you so much for the wing. Mellow Oasis, thank you for the Carlito. Hello. 60K na tayo. Oh, Banana Death, thank you for the I miss you because I miss you guys as well. Eh, paano kung Carlito, hello. Thank you so much. So, yeah. If, guys, na-follow nyo na ba yung account ko dito sa Kumu if you guys haven't? Follow it so updated kayo. So, yeah. Help me share this live stream by clicking the share link or I don't know. Maybe it's here. I don't know. But, yeah. Kamusta ang uninconvenient law? So actually, I haven't watched An Inconvenient Love, but I want to watch it because OST and syempre support tayo sa Don Bell. And yeah, tumitigil ang mundo, solid OST. Wiki, saan ka kagabi? I was in, ano ba ginawa ko? Well, I was at home. Nag-mall ako saglit. Then pumunta, I met up with Suya, Kevin, Jan, and Kuya Daniel sa place nila. I was, kumain lang ako dinner with Kuya Daniel. Tapos nag-ikot lang Rockwell. Because I haven't met them. I haven't been with them for like, my friends for like, how many months? 9 months na pala akong wala dito. No? 9 months na pala akong wala. Yeah, Suya is here. The PH. 10 months? 10 months ba ako nawala? Your Sunshine, thank you so much. Nairam, thank you. Dot Mapagmahal, hello, what's up? Entered the stream. Dot Mapagmahal. 1 year ba ako nawala? I think it was 1.5. Anyway, 61.88K na tayo. Malapit na tayo mag 100K, guys. Let's go. Connie Asayas, thank you so much for the song request. Miking Lee, thank you so much for the halo-halo. Nagamit mo ba yung dollar sa busking? Nairam, thank you so much. Naiwan ko na yung binigay nung guy nung busking sa Airbnb. Naiwan ko siya. Pero andun naman si Miss MQ. So, kasi nagpapalit ako ng dollars to, tapos nagpasend ako sa bank account kay Miss MQ. Tapos, nakalimutan ko nilabas ko pala yung mga cash ko. So, naiwan ko siya. Tip yun, tip na yun. Or, kasi, syempre, yung Airbnb, ano eh, doon kami pinastay. Sobrang kasama namin Bini, BGY, madami kami. Tip na yun. Sheesh! Sheesh. Happy birthday, Elia Jane. How was the busking? It was hard kasi nakakaya. I mean, nahihiya ako mag-perform. Kasi syempre, di mo kilala yung mga tao, di ba? Tapos, isipin, sino ba itong mga to? Tabi nga kayo dyan. Nataan kami. Baka ganun isipin nila eh. Hindi ko naman kilala, hindi ko naman alam yung mga tao kung paano sila mag-react. Pero, yeah. So, when we were there, yung first busking namin, it was in somewhere. It was in somewhere. Tapos, basta, yung first namin, we always perform the same songs, which is Be Us, Tumitigil ang Mundo, Magnet. So, yeah, hirap din ako mag sumayaw kasi hindi hindi ko masyado na review yung mga sayaw and hindi rin ako nakasayaw na maayos. And hindi hirap din ako magbigay ng 100% sa sayaw. Kasi sobrang lamig. O- Oo nga, nalaglag shades ko during busking. Ang nagamit mong wax or gel? Ang gamit ko na wax is hair wax. And ang gamit ko na gel is hair gel. Secret. It's my secret. I have a secret. Di ka makasayaw ng tama kaya you removed your jacket. Well, it was one thing. Ayoko kasi nang sumasayaw na may mabigat na jacket or naka-jacket in general. It's either gusto ko sobrang gaan, like a shirt, ganun lang. Kaya gusto ko yung era ng magnet kasi ang suot ko lang dun is fitted na fitted na shirt. So I was like, oh my god, sobrang sarap sumayaw. Wala ka nang iisipin. May na-meet kayong aces sa US? Yes, we met a lot of aces in US. Dami palang aces sa US, guys. Hindi lang sa Pinas, guys. Sa buong mundo. So, maraming salamat sa mga aces na pumunta sa aming busking, ganun, sa mga events na pinuntahan namin and sinuportahan kami. So, thank you so much. Kahit sobrang lamig talaga. Kaberdine, thank you so much for the pulang kabayo. I don't play Valorant, Albi. Only one, once in 3 months. Well, anong hindi ka sumali sa campaign? Hindi na ako nakaisip kung well, I just got home, kakauwi ko lang kasi I was in Rockwell, tapos um, I went to the warehouse of Privé. So pagdating ko dito, hirap na hirap ako mag-book ng Grab as in isang oras ako naghahantay. So pagdating ko dito, lowbat pa ako. So nagmamadali na ako. Hindi ko na naayos. So I'm sorry. What's your favorite Disney movie? Star Wars. Star Wars, The The Force Awakens. If isa lang. Pero if, basta yung trilogy ng Star Wars na Disney na gumawa, which is like, which is episode 7, 8, 9. Try mo man bun era na Mickey. Hindi bagay sa akin man bun na ganun. So, yung likod, hindi pa masyado mahaba to do this. So, hintayin natin humaba. Sobrang ganda ng laro, Mix. Thank you so much. Anong story behind laro? Well, ewan ko kung nakwento ko na to or nanaginip lang ako. Pero, laro, I made laro. Well, pinasa ko yun for comeback eh. Yung laro. Nag, well, I wanted to like send a song para sa comeback. What I was thinking for the comeback is a strong na kanta mabilis tapos yung paatake na type of song. Tapos naglagay ako ng concept na ibabagay ko sa music video if ever makuha. So and I just played around with when I first heard the beat I was like ay parang futuristic or ganun. Or futuristic, hindi pala futuristic, parang yung vibe na nakuha ko is like parang video game. Video game. Parang Cyberpunk 2022, if you guys know that. So yeah. Pero the song, uh, well, I could have done something else. I didn't know na aabot siya sa album. Well, I wanted a lot of my songs to be part of the album, pero Laro is not, ano ba sabihin? Laro is not my sound. It's not my sound. Yeah. So if I would make a song for myself, it's different. Or for the group, I have a different sound. Pero when I have to think about anong pwede gawin for the group, I came up with that sound, type of song. But if I was gonna make my song different talaga siya. That's why yung bridge ng laro, yung bago mag-dance break, it was yun lang yung parang nalagay kong ako. I don't know, I made the song, but it's my sound, but not really my sound, if you guys get it. Pero I suck at explaining it. So. Are you already writing song for yourself? Well, I used to, but hindi ko na, madami akong ginawang kanta, pero hindi ko na gusto ngayon. Like, dinelete ko yung iba kasi nag-evolve, yun, nag-evolve yung parang gusto ko. And I felt like hindi maganda yun, so dinelete ko na. My music style is, for my style, I have a different, pero I can do a lot of genres. But, feel ko, isa-scrap ko lahat ng nagawa kong songs and I'll make a lot of songs pag next year na. Anyway, guys, malapit tayo mag 100K. We can do this, guys. Connie Asayas, thank you. Princess JL, thank you. Vicky Knight, thank you. Disimulan. Connie Asayas, thank you. Sepirot, thank you. Mickey Season, thank you. Sepirot, nagpapaulan ng halo-halo, thank you. Mickey the Real, Claver Dean, Masaya, Kimberly Ray, thank you so much for the hot. Janet, lakas naman eh. Lakas naman eh. Oh! Ray, anyway. Sorry, hindi ko na nakita yung mga names. Jello Cakes, Mickey XM, Sephiroth, thank you so much. Hello, Connector, TSG, and Commercial Depth. Ace Clever Cassie, thank you so much. Mickey Kai, Clever Dean, thank you. Lap time of 100K, guys. Let's go. Christella, thank you. Ace Clever Cassie, thank you. Nairam, thank you. Moschino! Moschino! Guys, mag-thank you tayo kay Moschino. Nag-send siya ng Chocolate Hills. Thank you so much, Moschino. Moschino. I thought at first it was Moschino. TYP. Clever Dean. Thank you so much for the song request. 100K na tayo, guys. So, currently watching anime. Right now, I'm watching Bleach. Watch Bleach, guys. If you guys haven't watched Bleach, you're missing out on it. The new season is out, so the best. So yeah, I'm watching Bleach right now. Boku no Hero. I'm watching Boku no Hero. Mga ongoing and Chainsaw Man. I'm gonna start, but tatamad pa ako panoorin. I'm watching Fate Apocalypse. I can't say Apocrypha. Fate Apocrypha. Pinapanood ko rin. Pero it's an old one. Boruto. Nah, I dropped Boruto. It sucks. Boruto sucks. Uh, Dapat gumawa na lang sila ng Sasuke na anime. Heist. How was the food in the US? Well, we haven't really gone around and tried the food na yung, alam mo yun, yung restaurants na sikat doon. But usually we just wake up, nagluluto si Ate Jovi, Miss MQ, ng breakfast, which is, we bought groceries, which is bacon, ham, bagel, simple breakfast, eggs, ganun. Tapos, ayun, bahala na. Usually sa food court kami, if ever may madaanan. Wala kasi masyadong time to go and eat in a good place, ganun. So, it's either, ay, may pagkain dito, doon na lang kami bibili. Pero ang favorite ko, lagi kong kinakain sa US is halal food. Halal food. Sobrang favorite ko yung lamb over rice. Halal food. So good. Mickey, what's your shoe size? I'm 10.5 po. Jay Denola. What's up, Jay Denola? May halal sa BGC. Ah, really? Nice. Perfume? I didn't buy perfume. I don't like. Well, I like perfumes, but namamahalan ako, so I didn't want to buy it. I'd rather spend sa shoes or clothes. Mag-spread kayo, guys. Miggy, nakasocks ka ba right now? Nope. Konya Sayas, thank you so much for the halo-halo. You're growing your hair? Yup, I'm growing my hair. Sobrang kapal na nga niya and kailangan ko na pagupit itong part and this part para maayos yung bagsak. Anong wag? Excited for engineer. Chelsea Ceci, what up? Konya Sayas, thank you so much for the hee. And guys, thank you so much then also because we won the group a group we won BGYO won the Awit Awards favorite group award. So thank you so much. We love you guys. Back to back, right? Back to back. Just like Aces and BGYO back to back. Thank you so much guys. We love you all. Parang naglolo ko yung comments. Yeah. Ah, ulit-ulit yung mga kanta ko. I like the song by Ate Casey. Playlist reveal. I don't have a playlist right now. Whose star did you step on? What? Oh, on the Hollywood side? Oh, yeah, Well, I forgot. I didn't check the name of the stars. So, happy birthday, Maria Christine Gonzalez. May pang-exchange gift ka na. Paano niyo nalaman? Sino nagsabi? Nakita ko si Johnny Depp sa Ay, Johnny Depp. Nakita niya si Johnny Depp. How? Do I look like Captain Jack Sparrow? Pasta or pizza? Well, I wouldn't buy any, but I'll go with pizza. I eat them, but I don't crave for them. Ikaw, ano advice mo sa mga disappointed sa grades like me? Well, you can do it. Kasi ako, puro bagsak ako, pero ako graduate ako. Charot, di pala ako graduate. Nakapasa ako. Hi, X Marky 12. So, me and my brother, pagbalik ko dito, pag-uwi ko bahay, we were talking about so, gaano kahirap dun sa school namin. And for for me and for my brother, hindi naman sobrang talino. So, usually we have quizzes and then long examination after. So, ang ginagawa ko, if there are like 6 quizzes, kailangan pasado lahat. Yun yung kailangan kong gawin talaga. It's either, yung grading kasi namin is 100%, 80%, ganun. Hindi siya yung 1/25, ganun, or whatever. Pero, by percentage siya. So, it's either, ang pasado is 78. So, kailangan maka 78 above ako. 78 or above na grade sa lahat ng quizzes para pwede ko na bagsak yung long exam. Pag binagsak ko yung long exam, Basta sakto lang yung hindi sobrang baba yung pagbabagsak, pasado pa rin ako. So yun yung ginagawa ko. Pinaka-importante quizzes. Would you wear colored contact? Well, I tried, but it was so uncomfortable. Hindi ko kaya ko mag-contacts pero masakit sa mata. Mabilis ma-irritate yung mata ko. Phoebe, thanks so much for the halo. Ah, this song again. Ah, I know what to play. Hmm. Oh, ang daming comments, sorry. I also wear contacts and uncomfy siya. You can sleep with them. Yeah, buti na lang because my eyes is it's very uncomfy for my eyes pag nagko-contacts. Kakaiyak ang Black Panther Wakanda Forever. Well, I wanna watch it but tinatamad ako. Hintayin ko na lang lumabas sa Disney Plus or punta ka ba Head in the Clouds Manila? The ticket is like 10K and 11K, right? So, I don't know. Oo, mahalan ako. Black Adam? No, I haven't watched. Wala pa akong pinapanood ng movies na bago. I ain't got no time. Ano last K-drama na pinanood mo? Siguro Bad and Crazy. Bad and Crazy na yung last na pinaka nagustuhan ko. Oh, Weak Hero Class. What is that? Oh, I want to try to watch the um, Weak Hero Class. Interesting. Archery or bowling? Well, I don't enjoy archery. Bowling siguro mas na-enjoy ko. Kinabahan ako dun sa pa-prank nila sa'yo. Well, yung prank nila sa amin, sa akin pala, I knew it wasn't going to be like yung sinabi nila na may, may magpapana from malayo tapos tatamaan yung ano, kasi first of all, that's too dangerous. Second of all, if I die, what's going to happen, right? So, alam ko na like prank may gagawin sila na parang gaganon na lang nila sa harap ko. Na-enjoy mo ba paintball? Paano nyo nalalaman may paintball? Paano nyo nalalaman may paintball? Ah, sa teaser. May bago episode na ba? Okay, so next week. Paintball, grabe napagod lang ako dun. Well, I didn't enjoy it kasi ano siya eh, challenge siya eh. If laro-laro, ma-enjoy ko siya. Pero pag may challenge kang iniisip mo kung ano eh. Okay, kailangan gawin ko to, kailangan gawin ko to. Tsaka puro takbo, nakapagod. And recently, we had this episodes na parang MMA. So like, nagulat lang ako kasi never ko na-imagine sarili ko na manood ng nanonood ako ng mga ano eh, mga fights sa UFC. So, biglaan ako nagka-interest doon kahit hindi ko na na-expect kasi sobrang dati hindi ko pinapanood. Here for BGY. Oh, thank you so much for the Malacanang. Thank you so much. Tsaka, di ako marunong ng self-defense, guys, because wushu is not fighting. Na, we don't practice fighting there. It's like dance. You memorize this choreo and then you perform it. That's how wushu is. Yung competitions nila. It's like they grade you more on your stance, your I don't know, your form, ganun, presentation. It's not fighting like boxing or ganun. Tsaka I don't wanna destroy my face kasi when I was playing basketball, dun pa lang basketball pa lang sobrang ilang beses na tatamaan yung lips ko, mukha ko. Suntok, siko, scratch, ganun. So, I didn't like it. What's the story behind sa picture niyo ni JL? Which picture? Do you read fiction books? Guys, I don't read. I'm too lazy to read. Pero pag manga siya, dun ako nagbabasa. Pag may art. Favorite manga? Tokyo Ghoul manga. And what else? Tokyo Ghoul and Attack on Titan manga. If you guys want to buy manga, my sister is selling manga. Check out my sister's account na lang. Would you consider acting? Like, yeah. I mean, I've said it a lot of times here na parang, yeah, acting is, I really want to try acting. If given a chance. So, when, I don't know. What role do you like? I mean, any. Actually, not any, but yung I like romance or ganun. Or like action, whatever. Siguro mga ganun. Like school stuff din pwede. Teleserye or movie? Well, depends. Miggy Dalisay. F4. Ay, pwede. Daming C? Dao Ming C? Sino yun? I don't know that. Charot. Daming Su. Oo, sakto, no? Daming Su. Tapos favorite ko, Shanghai. Favorite food ko pa naman Shanghai. Lumpiang Shanghai. What up, J2021? Oh, too long. Lumpiang Shanghai. What? Ba't ganun yung comment section? Yung mga ibang comments from a while ago lumalabas bigla. Yeah. We're now 158. We can reach 200K, guys. Let's go. We can do it. Fe Martin, Ate Fe, what up? Ate Fe. Kamusta na, Ate Fe? Thank you so much for your chocolate hills. Ate Fe is here. Malapit na mag 200K. Tama, Fairy Berry. Malapit na, guys. Sakitin ka ba, Mickey? Oh! X-Marky. Levy. Thank you so much. Kia Blast. Thank you so much. Grabe. X-Marky, thank you so much for the chocolate hills. Grabe, ang dami nagkapaulan ng chocolate, guys. Levy, thanks for the duck duck. Kia Blast, thanks so much for the Miss Community Burst. So we are now at 200K. Sabi ni BGY Akira, may ipa 300K natin. I think kaya naman. Sheesh! Connie Asayas nagpa-lechon. Nakagutom. Masarap kumain ng lechon. Basta may Sprite ka. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, bumili na kayo ng lechon at bumili kayo ng Sprite. Pwede, pwede, pwede. Kaberdeen, thank you. Endorser yarn. Gotta be smooth. Nag-Sprite daw kanina si I Love Nate. Nice! Nag-dinner ka na? Nope, I haven't. Nikki, nadagdagan ba jacket mo? No? What do you mean? What are you having for dinner? I don't know. Kung ano meron sa baba, siguro cup noodles na lang. Wala tayong magluluto eh. Di ba dalawa lang? Meron akong isang hoodie. Tapos eto, puffer jacket. Tapos isa pang jacket na iniram ko kay Kuya Daniel. Kasi ayoko bumili. Kasi hindi ko na magagamit ko after ng trip. So, I didn't buy stuff for US. Tapos, puro black lang din dinala ko. Kasi, ayoko mag-pack na madami. So, pwede ko ulit-ulitin yung outfit kasi black lang naman. Favorite tracks of BS aside from Laro? Laro is not my favorite. My favorite is all the songs. Yeah, all the songs are my favorite. BS no skips for you. Oh my god, super true. Do you listen to James Reed? Yeah, I listen to James when he reads. I like to listen when someone's reading.